Login failed on Sharesies Fix. You try to open Sharesies to check your investments or make a quick trade, but instead of logging in, you see login failed. It's frustrating, but here's the thing. Most login issues on Sharesies come from small technical glitches, not major account problems. Let's go over how to fix it fast. First, make sure your email and password are correct. It sounds simple, but this is the #1 reason logins fail. Sharesies passwords are case sensitive, so even one wrong character can trigger an error. If you're using autofill, clear it and type your credentials manually. And if you've changed your password recently, make sure your device isn't still using the old one. If that doesn't work, click Forgot Password. Sharesies will send you a reset link by email. Sometimes it lands in your spam or promotions folder, so be sure to check there too. Next, look at your connection. If you're using a VPN or public Wi-Fi, Sharesies might block the login for security reasons. Switch to a secure, private connection like your mobile data or home Wi-Fi. If you're on the app, update it to the latest version. Outdated versions sometimes fail to connect properly after new updates roll out. Go to your app store, update Sharesies, and restart your phone before trying again. Browser users should clear cache and cookies. This removes old session data that can interfere with login attempts. Once that's done, reload the official Sharesies site and try signing in again. Occasionally, Sharesies performs platform maintenance. During these short periods, login attempts may fail temporarily even with correct details. Wait 10 minutes and try again. The surprising truth is that most login failed errors have quick, easy fixes. No need to panic or assume your account's compromised. By checking your password, updating the app and clearing your cache, you can usually solve it in minutes. Once you're back in, you can get back to what matters most, building your investment portfolio one share at a time.